up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Thursday, May 21st, and these are the top 5 things to know today on Wall Street. Let's get things started off with number 1. Stocks looked set for a lower open this morning, one day after markets rallied to their best level since early March. As of last check, the Dow futures were off by about 150 points as investors braced for the latest round of economic data and earnings. S&P and NASDAQ futures were also pointing to declines at the open. Now, further developments in the worsening relations between the United States and China, as well as COVID-19 vaccine headlines, will also matter to markets today, with risk assets under a bit of pressure as we kick the session off. On to number 2, the latest weekly jobless claims numbers are due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time this morning, and the report is expected to show another 2.4 million Americans filed for first-time jobless benefits in the week ended May 16. This would push the total number of Americans filing for unemployment claims to around 40 million in the last 9 weeks. Simply unprecedented numbers as the economy deals with the coronavirus pandemic. On to number 3, staying on the economic calendar, we also get a look at manufacturing data as well as housing numbers this morning. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, the Philly Fed is due to publish its manufacturing PMI amid expectations for another reading deep in contraction territory. At 9:45, we get the latest services and manufacturing PMIs from market. And at 10 a.m. Eastern time, the latest figures on existing home sales are due amid expectations that home sales plunged 20% in April. On to number 4, retail earnings will also stay in focus as investors focus on quarterly numbers from Macy's, Best Buy, and TJX companies, which are all due to report earnings ahead of the opening bell. Macy's will release only a portion of its results after it delayed the full report to July amid severe coronavirus-related disruptions. The stock has been one of the biggest losers so far this year, down about 70% year to date. And on to number 5. Completely on the opposite end for Macy's, market darling Nvidia publishes its latest results after the closing bell. The semiconductor company has seen its shares jump 50% so far this year, trading near all-time highs. Now, beyond the top and bottom line numbers, we'll be keeping a close eye on Nvidia's cash flow and balance sheet, which are expected to still perform well in the current environment. Other notable tech names reporting results after the closing bell include Palo Alto Networks, Splunk, and Hewlett-Packard Enterprises. So that's it for me for today. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, stay safe, and stay healthy.